Alright everybody, this is Melford Hutchins here. I'm making a video today about a box fan. Right now I just turned it off so it's going down. It's an older Lakewood. It's a 73. This is the top. 3 speeds, this is what the thing looks like. I ended up having to put a ceiling fan switch on it because it broke. And it had the plastic thin handle that broke, that screwed in. K Mart brand box fan. I don't know exactly what the model number is because the sticker's been missing. There's a good motor shot. This fan always has a distinct smell to it too when the motors aren't, but it's been going for years. Here's the handle I got on it for Walmart. It's a drawer handle, so I made 2 new holes. The original holes are towards the end, but covers them up pretty good. 3-speed, so I end up using a ceiling fan. This is my favorite switch to replace a broken switch with on any fan, is just put a ceiling fan switch on it. I tried to shine the blades up and get some of the shine back. Got them pretty good, but they need another run over. And it used to be blue, so I ended up painting it purple. It's like a dark purple, there you go. Like I said, I got this fan when I was 10. It was my stepmom's from her previous marriage, and then she brought it into the marriage with my dad, and they never really took care of it. It was really rusted up, and I sanded it down and put some TLC into it. It's pretty heavy. The back grill's pretty busted out, but it works. Spray painted back here. Here's the back motor shot. Alright, let me flip it around and start it up. Here's high. The blades are a little off balance when it runs. It's straight. Medium. This was my first metal bladed box fan that was ever in my collection, so that's why I like it. It reminds me of my stepmom. Low. The front grill's not too bad, but they're faded yellow really bad. We got a half break up here, and that's how a lot of these broke off. Half, like they left space like that. Been down. But I always liked it too, because I liked the hub, like I said, because it was my first metal bladed box fan. She gave it to me when I was 10, and I brought it home back to North Dakota, and they lived out in Montana. I want to polish the blades up a little better and get the backs polished, because I didn't do the backs, because fuck, the fronts took long enough. This, up till yesterday, too, was my first time ever being able to get the blades off. They were on there, and when I was younger, I could never get them off. Turn it around to see if we can get a better startup sound. Clean the motor up pretty well. I didn't paint it. Right. Alright, and that's my video, and if anyone knows exactly what model number this is, it'd be cool to know so I can write it in there. Like I said, it's a 73. It's got the 3 metal blades, K Mart box fan with that emblem on it. And it had the thin metal handle, not the one that snaps into the top, but where you actually had to screw it up in there. Alright, thank you.